I am here at Zara. Zara की सेल आ चुकी है. Jan में Zara has the best sale. And if you have been thinking कि Zara से shopping क्यों करें because it's very expensive, then you should watch this video because today I am going to share a few tips that is going to make your life easy and आप हमेशा Zara से shopping करोगे. So let's go. So if you have to restock anything during Zara sale, it has to be their basics, be it trousers, blazers, shirts or dresses. This is the right time to grab all of this. Let me show you the trousers now. So now these formal trousers, they were priced at 3,500. अब ये 70% off पे है, which comes up to 3,721, around 1,500, which is amazing because look at the fit. So if you're looking for a formal trouser for your office, you should come here. If you like blazers, then Zara is the only place you should shop your blazers from. I have 3 blazers from Zara and मैंने उसको 5 साल पहले लिया था, that too without sale, and they are still the same. So I am planning to get this one. This is like a waistcoat. This one was priced at 7,500, but it is at 70% discount, so ये मुझे 2,000 में मिलेगा, which is an amazing deal. Love it. If you are a skirt girly and love skirts, you should come here because they have some amazing collection. But they are a little pricey and you can get similar skirts from Myntra at a very, very lower rate. So I think you can skip skirts from here. Zara has amazing dresses, but they have 2 quality. One is this poplin cotton, जो थोड़ा मोटा होता है when you see. And one is this lightweight cotton, which is something I wouldn't suggest that you buy because ये 5-6 washes के बाद it's gone. But these fabric, they'll stay till you get old. आप बोर हो जाओगे पहन के because this is amazing. Okay, so I always shop from Zara during their sale, but I found something a little different this time. So they don't usually have 70% off. 70% off is end of the sale, like last 1 week of January. But this time they have 70% on everything, but their tags have been changed. So this dress would price around 6,000 because that is the range. But now it is priced at around 9,000 and then they have 70% off, which is a little weird for me. And if you see, the label looks very new. What's up, Zara? What are you doing? Now this is our area. Come, let's see what all I can get from here. Oh, I love this tote. This is like the classic Zara tote. And this color has been trending. People are loving this color. Oh, you can also get bags from Zara. Their bags are really good. But I do have other brands that I love bags from. So मैं Zara से सिर्फ classic उठाती हूँ हमेशा. These trousers are from Zara. I think this tank top is also from Zara. Like, loving it. I've bought this like last year और ये अभी तक perfect. Let's see what can we grab. मैं Zara आके कभी, there's hardly ऐसा हुआ है that मैंने tops खरीदे because I'll show you why I don't shop tops from Zara. This is the front of the top and इसका neckline यहाँ आता है and I don't know what am I supposed to wear inside this. So Zara tops are not for people like me, or if you're not comfortable wearing deep necks or showing your cleavage, then you should just skip the tops. I found one which luckily has a high neck from front and is a little backless. I'm okay with backless. You know, while I was getting this, Prisha was shooting and we were just trying to figure out what if this is the front and this is the back, because you can find pieces like that here. Let's see if I get a few tops this time. Okay. This is also very cute, but it's entirely backless. Like, there is no back. I am not very sure if I should get something like this, but we can try. Let's see. But I'm going to get a lot of dresses. Trousers I recently got from Zara, and these classic blazers that I always like to restock from Zara. If you like denim jackets, denims generally, you can definitely get it from Zara. I have denim shirts and denim jackets and denims already. इसीलिए मैं देख नहीं रही हूँ. But if you like oversized denim shirts, you can get it from here. So this one is priced at 3,500 and उस पे अभी 70% off चल रहा है, which means ये आपको कुछ around 1500 में मिलेगा. And this is a really good quality shirt. Not a bad deal. Oh, I like this. This is cutie. So guys, this dress, this hairstyle with a white bow, I think it'll look very cute. I was way too loud. Should I get this? Let me know in the comments. This is like literally nothing at the back. थोड़ा risky हो जाएगा, I feel. But it's very, very cute. I can imagine myself wearing this floral white bustier top with a very cute pink color skirt. Pink pant, what I'm wearing right now. Oh my god. How cute do I look? I love it. And other than this, now look at this, guys. I told you Zara has amazing dresses. But this is in size extra small. I wish it was available in small. It's so cute. Look at that bow detailing here. थोड़ा और पतला होना पड़ेगा for this. Fit करके try करती हूँ. अगर ऐसे zip करके हो गई पतली. Let's try. If you want to buy shorts or squats that are very classic and look formal yet casual, you should always buy them from Zara. Look at this. I love this. I can totally imagine myself with this and that bag, the burgundy bag. It will look so good. So I have these squats in white, black, and now I think I'll grab this one as well. Good one. And this bag. Look at the combination. It's just perfect. I think I should get it. So I love this one. I found this top very different. It's classic yet sexy at the same time. I think I will buy this. Let's see if I can style this in a better way. I like how they've displayed this with denims. But I'm not a denim girly. I would wear a trouser or a skirt along with this. So yeah, I think this with some white color trouser maybe, or maybe a pink trouser only and make it like a cord thing. I don't know, style करना पड़ेगा. उसके बिना नहीं पता चलेगा. I was thinking of buying this brown. थोड़ी मरी हुई लग रही हूँ मैं इसमें. So when you choose colors, be very wise with the colors. Now these two colors, they are very dark. But if you see, that makes me look a little dull. This makes me look very fresh. So even if I buy, I think I'll go and buy this color over that. Choose your colors wisely, girls. I loved this piece, but I have a question. So if you see, it looks very good on me. But belt यहाँ, मेरे हिसाब से बेल्ट या तो वेस्ट पे होता है या लो वेस्ट. दिस इज आई डोंट नो वेयर. आई मीन क्या वो पता है वीडियोस होते हैं जहाँ पे पीपल वेयर देयर पैंट्स हियर. दिस इज लाइक ट्राइंग टू मेक दैट ट्रेंड. समटाइम्स आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड ट्रेंड्स. आई लाइक हाउ आई एम बाइंग स्मार्ट कलर्स, लाइक ऑल British colors. Am I planning a trip to Europe soon? Am I trying to manifest it? Was this a sign? I'm just checking out the last lane and seeing if I find any more dresses. If you have a party that's coming soon, you should surely check their dresses out because they're very sexy and party appropriate is what I would say. Like, look at this. I have way too many blacks. So black is totally no for me. If you see, just look at the color choice that I'm making. I love this. Too good. So this is priced at 2,950 and it's at 50% off. So it comes up to 1,400. Wow. I'm grabbing this. So I got a few pieces from here from the sale. Let me know if you want to see a haul. Also, this is all that you can shop from Zara. Basically classics, denims, everything in denim, trousers, blazers and shirts and dresses. and trendy stuff. If you are a trendy person, you can surely grab a few. And these were a few tips that you should keep in mind while shopping in Zara. Let me know if you want to see a haul of this.